In this video, I'm going to run a bot on MT5 PC, and I'm also going to monitor it on my smartphone when positions are triggered. And as I am doing so, I'm also going to teach you how to do it. In our last tutorial, we ran a script. We used the raw code on MT5, but for this tutorial, we are going to use the MQ5 as a file, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check the other tutorial. I'll link it somewhere in the video description, right? So this tutorial will be more of drag and drop than copy and pasting, right? Let's go. So the first thing that you do is ensure that you have downloaded the latest MT5 for PC. Here is mine. I'll make sure that I attach the link to the download in the video description below. So the second step is opening MetaTrader 5. And you can see the dashboard as it is right now. I'll show you how to clear all these things that are on the screen. The first thing that you do is close this one, and then close all these windows, like this one, this one, this one. Okay, and I'm left with a blank page here. Now we are going to revisit that in just a second. The next step is to ensure that you have logged in into your trader account, and that involves going to a broker and registering an account and getting the login details. Okay, after that, if you have an account, go to this file and then log in to trade account. Okay, this pop-up will appear on this screen. This way you need to input your ID and password. Okay, if you don't have an account, you can create one with the link that is in the video description. After logging in, you should see some activity here. It's on the journal, and then you'll see some activities here. Now after that, you need to select your pair, your forex pair or your commodity pair that you are trading on. If you can't see the pair here, you need to just click this plus icon, and then you'll search for it here. Maybe it's gold, and then select it. Okay, for now I'll go with Euro USD. After identifying your pair on this list, you need to drag and drop, long press, and then move it here. It will appear on this window. You are supposed to maximize it so that you can see the whole thing, and that's it. The next step, you need to ensure that the Algotrading is activated. Right now this MT5 does not recognize bots, so you need to activate it. You do it by, this is Algotrading, it's red in color. If I tap on this icon, red icon, it will turn green. Okay, tap it once and then it will be green. To add a bot, you just need to go to the tools and then Meta Quotes language editor. This window should appear here, and as you are on this window, you're supposed to just right click on this window called experts. Right click on it and then open folder. It will open in file editor, or actually files in Windows. Maximize it, and then you're supposed to paste the bot here on this homepage, or you can decide to create a folder and put a bot in it. And that is for organization if you're dealing with many bots. But as for now, we are keeping it simple. So I'll go to my downloads and then get that bot, this simple bot, and then copy it, then go back to that folder that you have just opened and then paste it here. Okay, paste, and that's it. I'll then minimize it and then go back to you ensure that the file is in the expert, and then right click on it, and then you need to compile. Okay, remember this is an MQ5, not an XC5, so you have to compile it. So right click and then compile it, and then as you can see on the description here, you can see that there are no errors. If there are errors, you need to fix them and then repeat the process as I have explained, right? And since we have no errors, it's okay. We then minimize this window, and then it will appear here, the bot that you have just pasted or compiled. To activate it, you make sure that this Algotrading is green, and then you just drag and drop, long press on it, and then drag and drop on this window. Or you can double click on it and then attach, yes, then okay. If you have added it on your chart, it will appear on the right part of the screen. This simple test bot, it will appear on the right part of the chart. And right now we'll see some position being opened. I'll go to the trade section. Positions have been opened, and if I go to my phone, positions have been triggered right now. On my laptop screen, you can see that the two positions are the ones that are running. For this to work effectively, you have to log in with the same details in the MT5 PC and in the MT5 for smartphone, whether you are using Android or iPhone. To deactivate the bot, you just need to tap here and deactivate the Algotrading, and it has turned to red. Right now, the bot will not be triggered to open positions, okay? However, the positions will still be active. So you need to close the positions manually. And that is it. That's how to add a bot and run it. And now in another tutorial, we'll talk about the EX5 and even the difference between MQ5 and EX5. Make sure that you subscribe and like this video. And you should remember that as long as your PC is off, the bot will be off. But the positions that have been opened will remain active and you can close them on your smartphone. However, if you do want to enjoy your bot being online every time, you must subscribe to the VPS hosting in one of the brokers, or even MT5 themselves provide that service where your bot can run anytime that the market are open. Right? The link will direct you to the HFM broker where you can create your account, and at the same time you will be supporting us so that we can do more tutorials about algo trading and such topics, right? Make sure that you use the referral ID that is in the that will be pinned somewhere on the video description or the first comment. And that's it. Be productive and see you on the next one.